Hello guys, this is Mark from ALWAYSSOLD123 doing a video walk around for this Honda CRV, guys, early in the morning. It's 10 a.m. Take a look. We're gonna do this before it rains, because if it will, we're not able to do anything. Okay, we're almost over with our rain seasons. It's gonna be a nice weather soon. When everybody's cold, we are very cool. Okay, we're waiting for that Christmas time, guys. Go back to 2011 Honda CRV, nice brown color. Well, of course it's on the older side, the way I like it. Nice black upholstery with no leather, which is usually cracked out. This is not gonna crack on you right here unless you want to. Okay, we got, let's see how many keys we got. We got few set of keys. We're gonna start this thing right up. Okay, cold AC, needs some gas. It's 92,102 with miles. 92,102. Look at that seat right here. Let's look at this. Okay, that's the back seats. Headliner is nice. That's the back seat. The carpets, it's a non-smoker, does not smell like cigarettes inside. Now we got nice tires, right? Let's go under. Let's go, guys. That's the bottom of the car. You can see no rust. Okay, it's no rust, and it's four-wheel drive. You can take it anywhere, Ohio, Michigan, whatever you want. Now let's look at this. You got nice floor mat, even divider for the cargo area. Divider is still here, intact. Okay, look at that. Hopefully you like this video. Please don't forget to like this video. Nobody likes my videos. You guys don't like it or what? If you like it, just click on it. All you have to do is click. Okay, let's look at this. Listen, guys, I'm using new headphones. I want to make sure you hear me well. So we got some tree dust over here. There's a bunch of trees. Okay, I want to make sure it's nice and clean for you. Take a look. These are the seats in the front. AC is pretty cold. Well, Hondas don't have usually AC problems. Okay, don't know what that is. We're gonna throw that out. What is that over here? Oh, you got something for this thing. Oh, it looks fine. Let's look at that side. Ah, okay, it's from there. Guys, we're gonna keep this inside if you guys want to put it together. Okay, okay, so let's go to the side of the car. Now you're gonna see rock chips here and there. Guys, don't forget, it's over 10 years old. Okay, it's over 10 years old. It's not gonna be a brand new car. You see, what you see is what you get. I like this color, by the way. This is the windshield, guys. Take a look. That's the windshield. That's the roof. Okay, so rock chips, light scratches, it's all average. There's nothing I can do. I can only have what I have. Here you go. Very nice and smooth. Original from the battery. Beautiful. I love these cars, the old RAV4s, old Honda CRVs. They're very good. Okay, let's go under. Okay, guys, let's go under again. I like these tires. Tires like very new. You guys don't spend $400–500 on the tires. You don't need to. Just buy this car. You don't need to spend any money on tires. All right. Sold by ALWAYSSOLD123. Guys, keep that in mind. It's a disclosure. All right. We sell everything as is. These vehicles are over 10 years old, especially. Once you purchase the vehicle, it's yours. So you take full responsibility for whatever you own in your life, just like a grown-up. Okay? So once you purchase the vehicle, it's yours. We make sure the vehicles are good to go. No, not overheating. AC works. Engine, transmission, everything is good to go. But small things, you something that you personally want to change in the car, it's gonna be totally your choice. Please, it's sold by ALWAYSSOLD123. My name is Mark. Thank you so much, and God bless. Oh, hold on a second. Do you want to drive around the block? Let's do it. Let's do it. Okay, let's do it. Okay, we need some gas, but let's see if this works. Hold on. Oh, you need a code. Okay, we need a code. Let's go. Radio needs a code. Any Honda dealer will give you one for free. Drives very nice. Nice. Guys, it's a nice vehicle. You know why? When I buy a Honda, older Honda or older Toyota, I buy it for a reason, because I like them myself. That's the first thing. And then if I like it myself, then I will sell it to anybody who likes it also. So that's how we end up having mutual likes. So please don't forget to like this video. Okay, let's drive it, guys. Let's drive it a little more. I don't know if you can hear it because on my microphone, I'm not sure how it's recording, but I'm sure it's fine. Okay, let's just pull over back and park the car. We'll do it in reverse. We're in reverse. And we're gonna do pictures. Now I can say thank you so much. Don't forget to like this video, and bye bye.